Hey guys, Ben with Surveyor coming to you live from the Forest River studio. Today we're going to walk through the 2025 260 BHLE Surveyor Legend floor plan. This floor plan is under 30 feet from tip to tip, 29 feet, 11 inches, and it is half-ton towable. We're going to walk you through all the top features for 2025. Let's get into it. This is a double over double bunk, really nice layout. Let's dive into the interior features here. First thing I want to show you, 82-inch ceiling height, some of the tallest ceiling height in the lightweight segment, 6-foot tall slide outs. That's something you're going to notice when you step inside of our units. 15K BTU AC is going to be standard equipment on most of our models. Really nice kitchen setup here. You've got central vac here that's going to be standard equipment, 21-inch oven, nice big sink here, residential faucet. You've got a really nice residential cutting board here as well. It's going to double as a sink cover, which is really cool. It fits in the sink. You've got a really nice entertainment setup here. You're going to see the TV is directly across from your dinette area. You've got double over double bunkhouse back here. Individual curtains, which is really nice. Not everybody does that. You also have curtains on the windows in the bunk area. Individual lights as well, push button lights, which is nice for the kids, and you've got USB-C ports in the bunkhouse area. Nice pantry for a lot of additional storage there. All right, huge bathroom here. Residential medicine cabinet with storage behind it, porcelain toilet, toilet paper holder. You got motion lighting in all of our bathrooms for 25. And then you've got a 4-speed Furrion high-powered fan in here. Very cool fan. And something you're not going to see in a lot of lightweight product at our price point, so keep that in mind. Let's check out this dining area here. Really spacious booth dinette. I really like a booth. You can sit 4 people comfortably. Nice storage. Very easy to break this down to a sleeping space if you want to do that. If you don't like a booth dinette, you can put a theater seat here or tri-fold sofa. So a really cool setup there. We've got a 10 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator here. This is going to be standard equipment in every single model that we build from top to bottom. Very cool. It's going to run off solar power, and we've got one of the biggest solar packages on the market. All right, before we head to the bedroom, let's check out this kitchen one more time in this bar area. This is a unique feature you're not going to see in a lot of 30-foot bunkhouses. If you do turn this dinette into a bed, you don't have to hurry up in the morning and break it back into a dinette. You have a place that the kids can hang out and eat breakfast, which is super cool. Let's move to this bedroom area here. Double doors here, really wide entryway walking into the bedroom. But a lot going on in here. 60 by 80 residential queen bed. You're going to have that in all of our Legend floor plans. Oversized wardrobes. You got hanging storage on each side. 2 drawers. Floating shelves back here. The cubby area is really nice. It really opens up the bedroom. And you've got power and USB-C on both sides of the bed as well. So beautiful bedroom setup. All right, we are out front of the Surveyor Legend 260 BHLE 2025 update. Let's check out some of the features we've got going on here. Beautiful Legend front end, big front window. We've got the brand new Forest River graphics. They look really good. Standard power tongue jack. You're going to have standard dual propane on all of our dual axle floor plans. Nice 7-way holder here, battery disconnect, and that's the repeater for your tire pressure monitoring system, which is going to be standard as well. We'll talk about that in a little bit. On the off-door side here, you're going to have a tankless on-demand water heater that's going to be standard equipment, and then you're going to have the access for your inverter prep that's going to come with your solar package. It's going to handle up to a 2,000-watt inverter. All your wiring is there. There's a nice access panel for that. Let's head over here. We've got a really nice pass-through area here. First thing I want to show you, slam latch cargo doors. We've got slam latches on all your exterior cargo doors, magnetic door catches as well. You're going to see aluminum bed bases here on all of our models. We've got motion lighting up front as well as a USB-C port, and then you've got a drill bit connection there that's going to assist with your manual stabilizer jacks, which you're going to have on all of your Legend floor plans. But a really nice pass-through area here, really clean, a lot of storage on the exterior. Let's keep moving. We've got a nice big awning on here. It's going to cover the entryway as well as the outside kitchen. So really nice setup with the LED light strip. By the entryway here, we've got some really nice things going on. Lippert Solid Step 4.0. This is going to be on all of your entryways. If you're looking at a dual entryway floor plan, you're going to get a solid step on both entries, but really easy to adjust the feet. Really nice upgrade from Lippert for 2025. We've got a 400-watt solar package on here, one of the biggest on the lightweight market, no question about it. You're getting a free additional 200-watt solar panel with our setup. That's a promotion we're going to continue for a limited time, so just keep that in mind. And it does have the inverter prep that we talked about. Extended season ready, one of the best extended season packages on the lightweight market. You've got a 2-inch aluminum floor with block foam insulation, sealed underbelly on every single unit with forced heat, so you got a dedicated heat duct forcing heat to the underbelly. And you've got 12-volt heating pads on every single tank. That's standard equipment. You're going to see a Goodyear tire sticker on all of our models. We've got standard Goodyear endurance tires with tire pressure monitoring system. It's going to monitor heat, tire pressure, and if you have a fast leak or a slow leak, it'll notify you of that as well. Let's keep moving here. You've got a really nice outside kitchen setup. We put an outside kitchen on every single model. It's not always going to look like this, but you'll have some type of outside kitchen. You've got some nice standard equipment here, Suburban Elite Series griddle with the Lodge cast iron top here. You've got a nice storage shelf, dump sink here with your spray port. You've got a hot and cold spray port for 2025, which is a great upgrade. Mini fridge as well. We also put an upgraded latch on here for your outside kitchen door. It's a magnet that has a latch, just a great safety feature there. All right, let's move to the back. Standard spare tire, 2-inch receiver hitch, which is really nice. And then you've got your storage door on the rear. Just a great additional outside storage area. This is really easy to operate, this flip-up bunk. It has a gas strut. Not everybody does that. It's very easy, very lightweight, and you can fit a full-size kayak in here, which is very cool. All right. A couple more things. Lippert on-the-go ladder prep. You're going to have that on every model. It accommodates that telescoping ladder from Lippert, really easy to add aftermarket. And then you got your rear camera prep as well. On the off-door side, near the dump area, you're going to have some motion lighting. We're doing some convenient motion lighting inside and out. All right, thanks for joining me on this walkthrough of the 2025 Surveyor Legend 260 BHLE, one of our top-selling bunkhouses. For more information, you can go to our website at www.forstriverinc.com/surveyor. You can follow us on social media as well. Thanks for joining me.